I'm going to show you how to print empty grid lines in Google Sheets. Empty grid lines just means we're going to print without any grid lines. Look, we have some data. Either we want to present it without grid lines, or maybe we even create our own grid lines with borders, or we even use colors, backgrounds to create interesting sort of lines, and we don't want to print the existing grid lines. So we can go up to View, Show Grid Lines, and uncheck it to not show the grid line here. But how do we do that when printing? We're going to go File, Download as a PDF, and here we see we have some grid lines. Over on the far right, we have some options. We're going to select Formatting. We have to click this downward arrow and uncheck Show Grid Lines. And now we have a blank sheet empty of grid lines without any grid lines, and we can export that. If we have created our own borders, let's say we have deleted these two, and we create our own borders, set borders here. Let's see how that looks. File, Download, PDF, and our formatting already says Show Grid Lines is unchecked. And there we go. We see our existing borders. We can make these as thick as possible or however we want. Maybe we have coloring here. We've created different rows with that color. And we'll go to File, Download, PDF. And here, again, formatting, if our Show Grid Lines is unchecked, it looks pretty good with those background colors as borders. We can click Export and print that PDF without those grid lines. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets, maybe even add some automations or just really cool designs, or use Google Sheets way more than you ever have before, subscribe today to Better Sheets here on YouTube.